Welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Why do I put my solar panels on a rack as opposed to right down on the roof of the motorhome? There's two reasons for that. One, I boondock most all the time and I need all the power I can get. But the most important reason is you do not want to put solar panels directly on the roof of a house, an RV, a fifth wheel, or anything. Simply because if you climb up on the side of my motorhome and put your hand underneath one of my solar panels with the sun completely out, shining bright, it will actually burn your fingers. Consequently, if you put a solar panel directly on the roof of a motorhome, fifth wheel, pull behind, a house, a barn, anything, you're going to create an enormous amount of heat going right into the roof of whatever it's attached to. This is the original 1950 watts of solar that was on the motorhome. All of the solar panels were 100-watt panels except for two. I had one of them that was 170 watt and the other was 180 watt. Removing all these panels was quite a challenge as well. We used a tractor with a front end loader to remove all the panels. But finally got done. We finally got all of the upright racks off of the motorhome. The new roof racks made it much easier to install the new solar panels. I braced the back with two pieces of square tubing. Notice the spreader bar in red, the two chains in white. They keep the solar racks in blue from shifting from side to side. These cables are attached to the front and back of each solar panel, plus wrapped around the solar panel racks to prevent a solar panel from coming off of the motorhome if a bolt fails or gets loose. All work was done in Alamogordo, New Mexico. At that point in time, it was 95 to 100 degrees every day, and I could only work for 30 to 35, 40 minutes at a time. It took me close to a month to get this project done. Altogether, I have 4,510 watts of solar on my 40-foot diesel motorhome. Yes, I can run both air conditioners at the same time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.